the beat.
I ain't tryna talk cause they gon' get a nigga locked up. T just got him talk, he tryna get that nigga boxed up. That nigga tryna walk, so I hit him with the chop. Left his body on the wall, somebody get his ass a doc. I can't messin' with these hollows. If I do, T get his bitch blue, my nigga was gon' follow. Hit his ass with 7.62. Take a nigga soul, wipe his nose without no tissue. If that nigga froze with his toe, he getting hit too.
Thinking that he tough, had T get him smacked up.
Pull up, it's just me, that nigga still coming back up.
Nigga got the running, I ain't even had a strap up.
Still blew the Drake, I just like the way it racked up.
1 minute that I ops, then these niggas tryna dead shit.
Hit him in his top, scratch that nigga off the checklist.
He tried to turn around when I seen that nigga necklace.
Put him on the ground, somebody get his ass an egg. We gon' drop the nigga off, man, we done doing pickups. Nigga got to taking off when he see me put the blick up. Put it to his chest, he held his breath just like the hiccups. Put him in the spittle, now that nigga need some stitches. You won't see me with that Glock unless that bitch come with his stitches. Put up to that nigga block, had that nigga jumping fences. Flash on his ass, I'ma up it with the Smith. Put that nigga on the jersey like he playing for the Pistons. Tryna talk cause they gon' get a nigga locked up. Left his team on the scene, they had to come and get him out. See the green on the beam when he see me put the Glock up. Shot the ambulance, they took him in a helicopter. Nigga talking to the feds, statement already written. Told T to blow his ass and that bitch just got to spit. Little nigga want some bread, put his ass up on a mission. And he hit him in his head, man, that little nigga fish. He was talking out his dreads, pull up with the tool to fix. We gon' put his ass to bed, 2 3s to come and catch. My nigga TP bangin' Ray, pull up with the Glock to split. My nigga was get on his head, he'll pop him in his man. Tryna get a nigga wig, pop him like a pimp. I don't need the Glock to chop and stop a nigga ring. Only way you get him drop is if you pop him through the window. Wet him like a mop, now you getting your shit spin too. Pull up to the drop, do you knocking while you reload? First nigga pop him, gotta pop him through the peephole. Better keep dumping till the stick hot like a Cheeto. Next nigga drop, we on his top like some chemo. All my niggas take shit, run into his basement. That nigga ain't a thug, he only tough on the PlayStation. Dog ain't even know was about to give his ass a facelift. Closed cast, toe tags, turn into a patient. I ain't tryna talk cause they gon' get a nigga locked up. Caught that nigga walking, know I had to put the Glock up. Before I got it out to hit that nigga with a chop, finna put that nigga out, somebody get his ass a doctor.